Today, we step inside a modern jalebi factory to uncover how this iconic sweet is made on a massive scale.
Every process begins with strict hygiene and controlled food safety standards.
Cleanliness is essential when producing food that millions enjoy.
The first ingredient is refined wheat flour, carefully sourced and quality checked.
Exact measurements ensure consistent taste and texture in every batch.
Corn flour is added to give jalebi its signature crispiness.
The dry ingredients are blended evenly before liquids are introduced.
Water is added slowly to achieve the perfect batter consistency.
Yogurt plays a key role in fermentation and flavor development.
The batter is mixed thoroughly until it becomes silky and lump-free.
This batter is then left to ferment for several hours. Natural fermentation creates the slight tang jalebi is famous for.
Experienced workers inspect texture and aroma.
From fermented batter,
Food color gives jalebi its iconic golden orange appearance.
The batter is mixed again to ensure uniform color.
Now the batter is ready for shaping.
Oil is heated to the perfect frying temperature.
Temperature control is critical for crisp jalebi.
The batter is piped into beautiful spiral shapes.
Within seconds, jalebis take their classic form.
They are flipped to fry evenly on both sides.
Slow frying ensures perfect crispness.
Once fried, jalebis are removed immediately.
to golden perfection.
Now comes the sugar soaking process.
A concentrated sugar syrup is prepared.
The syrup is heated to perfect consistency.
Even frying ensures uniform color.
Hot jalebis are soaked immediately.
Syrup penetrates deep into every spiral.
Careful handling ensures even sweetness. Crispy outside, juicy inside.
Excess syrup is drained.
Each batch is inspected for quality.
Only perfect jalebis move forward.
Jalebis cool slightly before packing.
Portions are measured accurately. They reach markets and shops.
Fresh, crispy, and sweet.
This is the magic of jalebi.
Packaging begins hygienically.
Presentation is carefully maintained.
Packages are sealed for freshness.
Packages are sealed for freshness. Products are prepared for dispatch. Storage temperature is controlled.
Storage temperature is controlled.
Large volumes are handled efficiently.
Jalebis are shipped across regions.
This is how jalebi is made inside a modern Indian factory. Jalebis travel across cities. They reach local markets.
Crispy outside, juicy inside.
From batter to golden perfection. Crafted with skill and care.